If you're living paycheck to paycheck or feel like you don't have enough money to start investing, you're not alone. People think you need a lot of money to get started, but that's simply not true. In fact, starting small can be one of the best ways to build wealth over time. Today, we're going to show you how to begin investing, even if you're broke, and set yourself up for a brighter financial future. 1. Start with micro-investing apps. One of the easiest ways to get started with investing, even if you don't have a lot of cash, is through micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash. These platforms allow you to invest with as little as $5 by rounding up your everyday purchases. So, if you spend $3.75 on coffee, they'll round it up to $4 and invest the difference. It's a simple, no-stress way to build your portfolio without even realizing you're doing it. Over time, those small contributions can add up, and you'll be on your way to growing wealth. 2. Take advantage of employer 401k plans. If you have a job that offers a 401k plan with an employer match, this is free money you shouldn't pass up. Even if you feel broke, contributing just a small percentage of your paycheck into a 401k is a smart move. Many employers match a portion of your contribution, essentially giving you free money to invest. Start by contributing enough to get the full match, then gradually increase the percentage as you can afford it. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to build wealth over time. 3. Invest in low-cost index funds. You don't need to be rich to invest in index funds. These are low-cost, diversified funds that track the performance of the entire stock market or specific sectors. Since index funds spread your money across many companies, they're less risky than picking individual stocks. Companies like Vanguard and Fidelity offer index funds with low minimum investment requirements, often as low as $100. Index funds allow you to get a piece of the market without requiring thousands of dollars up front. 4. Automate your investments. When you're broke, it's hard to remember to set money aside for investing. That's why automation is key. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your investment account every payday, even if it's just $20. Automating your contributions ensures that you're consistently putting money aside, no matter how small the amount. Consistency is key when it comes to building wealth. Over time, those small automatic investments will grow and start to compound. 5. Educate yourself on free platforms. Investing can seem intimidating when you don't have much money, but knowledge is power. Luckily, there are plenty of free resources available online to help you learn about investing. Websites like Investopedia and YouTube channels focused on personal finance offer tons of free information to help you get started. By educating yourself, you'll make more informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes that can eat into your returns. Being broke doesn't mean you can't invest. It just means you need to be a little creative and disciplined. Whether it's using micro-investing apps, taking advantage of your employer's 401k, or investing in low-cost index funds, you can start building wealth today, even with a small budget. Automate your contributions and keep learning, and over time, you'll see your investments grow. Don't wait for the right time or the perfect amount of money. Start now, and your future self will thank you.